Vivo V40 5G, brand Vivo, operating system FunTouch OS 14, installed RAM memory size 12 GB, memory storage capacity 256 GB, screen size 6.78 inches, 256 GB, 3D curved AMOLED 120 Hz display, 50 megapixel ZEISS camera, 5,500 mAh BlueVolt battery, IP69. Gifts: 24 million warranty, 12 million broken screen replacement. Does the Vivo V40 have dual speakers? For the very first time in V-Series, V40 series features dual speakers enabling users to feel more sonically immersed in media consumption. What is the battery capacity of Vivo V40? 5,500 mAh. The typical battery capacity is 5,500 mAh, and the rated battery capacity is 5,380 mAh. The 5,500 mAh BlueVolt battery leads with second-generation silicon-carbon anodes. Super